Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Time for another outdoor kitchen smackdown. One-on-one. You, the viewer, get to vote on which one you like best. The winner advances in a single elimination style tournament. These are all the various barbecues I've designed over the years. So let's get going. Round one, match 6. So here's kitchen A, kind of a modern but with a southwestern kind of color scheme. It's an L shape with a big grill and a refrigerator and kind of a nice little counter. There's the grill, nice normal 4 burners and a side burner for doing some extra special cooking. We got some fun low stools there. Outdoor kitchen B, similar L-shaped design, also with bar stools. Does not have the refrigerator. Instead, this one has a sink, so it has a big prep area for elaborate meals. Has a polished concrete countertop and a little alcove for the wood because there's a fireplace right next to it. So it's kind of a cool outdoor entertaining area. Nice overhang, nice white stucco finish, and has some lights in the shade structure next to it to light it up at night. So there's your choices. Vote for either A or B. Let me know which one you like best, and that one's going to advance to the next round. So make sure you cast your vote in the comment section for either A or B, and we will keep winning it down until we have a winner in this outdoor kitchen tournament. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to get more of my videos. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.